If your cable bill keeps going up and you're thinking about replacing cable with a Firestick and IPTV, don't cancel your current service just yet. IPTV could be a great fit for your home, but before you make the switch, you need to understand what it can do, what equipment you'll need, and what to check before paying for a service. Over the next few minutes, I'll help you figure out whether IPTV actually fits the way you watch TV. First, what exactly is IPTV? IPTV is a way of delivering television over an internet connection instead of through traditional cable lines or a satellite signal. In most cases, you'll need a compatible streaming device, such as an Amazon Fire TV stick, along with an IPTV player and a television service. It can give you a familiar cable-style TV guide while allowing you to watch through a streaming device you may already own. Depending on the provider's licensing rights and subscription options, an IPTV service may include live TV, on-demand movies and shows, catch-up features, and programming from different regions. But not every IPTV service offers the same content or features. So, if you see an ad promising tens of thousands of channels, don't immediately cancel your cable subscription. Your first step should be to make a list of what you actually watch. Do you need local news? Are there specific sports or events you never want to miss? Does someone in your household watch the same show every day? Do you need closed captions? Will two TVs need to stream at the same time? Those questions matter much more than the total number of channels advertised. The second step is checking your home internet connection. IPTV needs a stable connection. You don't necessarily need the most expensive internet plan, but the signal where your Fire Stick is located needs to be reliable. If the Wi-Fi in your TV room is already weak, that problem will become much more noticeable when you switch from cable to internet-based television. Run a speed test near your TV, not while standing next to the router, and test the connection at the times when your household normally watches TV. The third step is making sure the setup is easy to use. Some IPTV players offer a traditional cable-style program guide that feels very familiar. Others organize content into different categories and menus, which may take some time to learn. If several people in your home use the TV, choose a setup that everyone can operate comfortably. The fourth step is checking the quality of customer support. With traditional cable, you can usually call the company when something goes wrong. Support can vary significantly between IPTV providers. Before you pay, find out how installation help is provided, how you can contact support, and whether someone can help you set everything up again if you replace or reset your Fire Stick. My advice is simple: don't cancel your current TV service on the same day you install IPTV. Test the new setup on your home network first. Make sure it includes the content and features you need, and confirm that everyone in your household can use it without frustration. Once you've completed those checks, you can decide whether canceling cable makes sense for you. If you want to find out whether your Fire Stick and home network are ready for IPTV, I've included a device compatibility check and service information in the video description and pinned comment. Click the link and tell our team which device you use, where you're located, and what types of programming you watch most often. We can explain the available authorized IPTV options, setup requirements, supported simultaneous connections, and the type of technical support provided. That way, you can understand your options before deciding whether IPTV is right for your home. IPTV doesn't have to be complicated. You need a compatible device, the right player, a stable internet connection, and a transparent provider that has the proper rights to distribute its content. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share it with another Fire Stick user who's thinking about cutting the cord.